Hello, welcome to Talking Rubbish Recycle Content, where we recycle the most useful bits of the weekly podcast. Join us as we discuss the process of recycling our waste. Are certain items rubbish or not? And we get to answer weekly listener questions. I'm James Piper, author of The Rubbish Book, and I'm joined by Robbie Staniforth, my far from rubbish friend. We've done Should I Flush or Bin toilet tissue if I'm using it to blow my nose. We've done that. Now we have our second toilet-related discussion. What is the more eco option, using a few paper towels to dry my hands or using a hand dryer for 20 seconds? Brackets, ignoring the most eco option, which is just wiping it on your jeans.
I definitely do that quite often.
Thank you for this question, Mebuck. It's really, really complicated. Let me give you some examples of how complicated we can make this. Is it recycled paper towels or virgin paper? How many sheets are you using? You've gone with a few in your question. How many is that? Renewable energy, is that powering the hand dryer? How powerful is the hand dryer? It's so complicated. However, most studies do come to the conclusion that, believe it or not, hand dryers are more sustainable than paper towels.
Really? Wow.
And typically this is a high-speed hand dryer because usage time is actually the major factor, not the power of the hand dryer. So according to a study, it's quite an old study, but from 2011, less than 10 seconds, the high-speed hand dryer will always win, even if you're just comparing it to a single paper towel. Less than 10 seconds, high-speed hand dryer wins. If you're using it for more time, more than 10 seconds, the paper towel starts becoming better.
Okay, so it depends on the quality of the hand dryer in the public toilets that you're using.
Using a few paper towels is not better than 20 seconds of the hand dryer because 10 seconds is better than one sheet. So 20 seconds, 2 sheets, 20 seconds, a few sheets, the 20-second hand dryer is going to be better. However, this brings me to what I think is the best talk ever given by a man called Joe Smith. His TED Talk is 4 minutes of him washing his hands. And it has,
yes, I know this one.
I love this video. I roll it out often. It has 3.8 million views on YouTube when I looked at it this morning. He basically gets half the audience to shout shake and half the audience to shout fold. His entire TED Talk is him washing his hands, shaking them 12 times. And he says why 12. He gives a few examples, but his favorite is that it's the biggest number with one syllable, which I love. It's easy to say.
It is easy to say. 12.
He shakes his hand 12 times, folds a single paper towel in two, and then shows that his hands are dry. Honestly, this one video is in my mind every time I go to the toilet. Every single time I think, shake 12 times, use one paper towel. And that, while not better than using a hand dryer for 10 seconds, feels better to me. So it's what I personally do.
Oh, it's brilliant. Yeah, at least you're just using one sheet. And my favourite from that video, because I also think about it when I'm drying my hands, is the term he uses for why you fold it over. It's because of intertertial displacement. That's always stuck in my mind. I do like the use of the English language there, intertertial displacement. No idea what it means.
I'll put this video in our link tree because it is definitely worth watching if you haven't seen it. But basically, that's your choice. Try and use a hand dryer for less than 10 seconds. That will always be better. If you're using a slower hand dryer or you're using it for more than 10 seconds, then use one sheet of paper. Thank you so much for listening to Talking Rubbish Recycle Content. Remember to subscribe to us wherever you get your podcasts, leave us a review, and follow us on social media where we are at Rubbish Podcast. These clips come from the weekly show, which you can find by just searching for Talking Rubbish. Special thanks to our sponsor, EcoSurety, and all of you for taking the time to support us in our mission to help everyone to recycle better. There is nothing left for me to say other than see you next bin day. Bye.
Bye.